Hey, this is Lorena, and I wanted to do a video for you on how you can make disinfected wipes. Yeah, I can't find Lysol wipes, and I don't find the spray, and so I decided that I wanted to make myself some baggies so that when I go shopping for my family or my kids, I have something to clean my hands with, because it's also really hard to find, you know, that... What is that stuff that you put on your hands? It's really hard to find sanitizer too, so I thought this would be a really great trick for us to make for our families to have in your car. So when you go shopping, you touch stuff, who knows what's going on, then you get in your car and you can disinfect yourself. And so this is what I've been doing to keep myself and my family happy, and I'm making these bags for every single person in my family that has a car, so they have them in their car. So when they go in a store, they wipe themselves down and they wipe their car keys, their handles, everything they touch down with their hands. And when they go back out and then come back in, there's this process of constantly disinfecting yourself so you don't have on your hands. Okay, so this is what I've been doing, and I hope this is helpful for you. So yes, you don't need that many supplies, and it's really inexpensive to make. Well, since I can't find Lysol wipes, what I like about Lysol wipes, they don't break down very easily. So I went to an AutoZone or an O'Reilly's and I bought myself some Skotch Shop original towels. What I like about these, they're thicker than paper towels. They don't tear. It's a heavy duty material, and they only cost about a couple dollars, and you can find these. Also some bleach, water, and you don't need anything else, but for some reason the bleach smell was a bit much for me. Aromatherapy or frankincense or cinnamon, those are what I got. I thought that tea tree oil would also smell really nice, but I didn't have any, so I'm kind of just using the scents that I had. But the truth is you don't need them. Another thing that you're gonna need is some Ziploc bags. I really like these because they don't fall apart and they don't leak, and that's very important because you're gonna put bleach in these, and you don't want bleach to sit on your furniture, on your car, or fall into your floor mats or anything. So something that has a really good seal will work. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna tear off a whole bunch of these and stack them on top of each other. I ended up tearing about 15 to 20 of these on top of each other, and then I went ahead and I cut them in half. On the other section, about 4 sections, and they're like nice little beautiful stacks so that you could put them in your bag. I ended up getting 8 of these because I wanted to make about 8 bags, because I want to make sure that everybody in my family who has a vehicle will have one in their car. 1 cup of water, a half a cup, and a 1/4 of a cup. What I'm going to do in this section is I'm going to fill up the cup of water full of water, and then put half of it in the half a cup, so I have enough to fill up 2 bags. And then on the 1/4 of a cup, I went ahead and filled that up with bleach. And the bleach, you divide the bleach into both half cups, and then if you want to, you put whatever fragrance or scent that you want to use. And then I poured that half cup that had the scent into the Ziploc bags that have the Skotch towels in them. The neat thing about doing this is, as the bleach is soaking into the material, and you know this by the material starts losing its color. So these blue, beautiful Skotch towels, they're gonna end up being pure white. Believe it or not, for times like this, you can make several of these and donate them to your friends or your neighbors. What I like about this process is every time I go to a store, I'm shopping for my family and I'm going out there. I found out a mother was shopping at a grocery store and she ended up getting sick. We're touching items, plastic items, that who knows who else touched them and how they are. So what I like is when I get home, I get one of these and wipe whatever item I have down, wipe milk bags everything down with these little wipes that I've made. And also when I'm in the car, I make sure that I wipe my hands, my keys, my phone, my credit card or debit card that I use, my ID card that I gave to the bank teller. I just wipe everything down to make sure that I know that I've sanitized them with bleach and water. It holds its moisture. It doesn't tear or fall apart on you unless you really push it. But I'll wipe the car door, the knobs, the shifter, everything that I can, and kind of decontaminate the space as much as I possibly can. Then when you get in your car, just get one of these wipes out. They're really easy. Get one of these wipes out and wipe your hands and wipe everything you think you may have touched, and just clean everything up. And then you know that kind of your hands are clean. And if you accidentally touch your nose or your face or something, you know these beautiful hands are safe. And then I go home and I wash my hands and make sure that my hands are purely washed. But that's how I protect myself when I'm going shopping for the family. I end up going to H-E-B or Walmart and grocery shopping and trying to find items that are out there that are hard to find. And I really do think this has been a blessing for me, because everyone in my every one of my kids gets one of these to clean themselves and make sure that they're safe in their vehicle or when they're going home into their cars. So if you can't find Lysol wipes, you can make your own.